Good morning, leaders. Here with another morning wisdom out of Proverbs. Yesterday we were in Proverbs 11. Hey, today is the 12th, so we're in Proverbs 12, and I want to share with you one that just jumped out to me. I encourage you guys to read through Proverbs a day, and just see what jumps out to you. But what jumped out to me today, and I'm reading out of the Passion Translation, but it says, this is Proverbs 12:25. Anxious fear brings depression, but a life-giving word of encouragement can do wonders to restore joy to the heart. Man, that is good stuff. Earlier in chapter 12, it says that words of the wise soothe and heal. You know, when we are anxious and we are fearful, we can kind of let our thoughts get out of control. We can kind of let our imagination kind of run wild, right, and get out of control. But anxious fear can cause us to presume a few things too, right? Yeah, in Proverbs 11:2, this is what it says about presumption. It says, when you act with presumption, convinced that you're right, don't be surprised if you fall flat on your face, right? So we don't want to act with presumption. And also, when we're anxious and fearful, our perspective can kind of get out of whack too. It can kind of be lost. And I want to encourage you today to call somebody out. Call somebody out, right? And what I mean by that is, most of us, we're never told the good things about us. And, anybody can call out the dirt in somebody's life. But it takes a leader to call out the diamonds and the gold in people. I want to encourage you today to call out some diamonds and some gold within people. If you walked into a diamond mine, it's not laced from floor to ceiling covered in diamonds. It's covered in dirt, and you have to work to get to the diamonds. And I want to challenge you to call out some diamonds and some gold in other people. So maybe it's somebody that you never gave a proper thank you to. Maybe it's someone that you can see that's down. Maybe it's a friend that's down, and you just call them out. Say something good about them. Say something that they've done for you in the past, or just some kind of word of encouragement. Another thing you can do is you can ask the Lord. The Lord will tell you who to contact. You can ask, who should I reach out to today? Who needs me to reach out to them today? And He'll do it. He'll tell you, right? But call out some diamonds and some gold today. And Proverbs also talks about, I want to share this with you too, it also talks about the words from the wise is like life-giving fountain, kind of like choice gold and choice silver, and just pour out some life into people today. Encourage people, build them up, and I want to challenge you to do that today. I appreciate you guys. I hope this morning wisdom has been good. Anxious fear brings depression, but hey, a life-giving word of encouragement can do wonders to restore joy to the heart. Call out some diamonds and some gold today. Y'all have a great day.